Today we're excited to introduce the Reiga 52-inch smart white ceiling fan with light and remote, a versatile addition to any home, whether indoors or on the patio. This fan is ETL certified and has passed the IP44 test, ensuring durability and safety, while its dimmable LED light offers 3 color temperatures ranging from 3000K to 5700K, with adjustable brightness from 1% to 100% and a convenient light memory function. Powered by a quiet, reversible DC motor made of silicon steel, this fan provides high airflow and can be controlled remotely for forward or reverse rotation, offering year-round comfort. The smart features allow you to control the fan via remote, voice commands, or an app, making it easy to manage all its functions through Alexa or your smartphone. Installation is a breeze with included 6 and 10-inch downrods to accommodate various ceiling heights, and the quick connect ports and clear instructions make setup straightforward. Whether you're looking to enhance your bedroom, living room, or patio, this ceiling fan combines style, functionality, and smart technology to elevate your space. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.